to do a little math here. So a 20-pound bag of fertilizer, that's 10% nitrogen. How many pounds of actual fertilizer are in that 20-pound bag of fertilizer, do you suppose? 10% of 20 pounds, 2 pounds.
Okay.
So the rest of that stuff that's in there is what we call a carrying agent or a filler, and it can be a lot of things. It can be a clay-based product. They used to use vermiculite in some of them. It just depends. So a lot of what you're seeing when you put fertilizer down and you've watered it in, what's left is the carrying agent. The fertilizer itself has probably dissolved and started to work its way into the soil. But if you want to be double dog sure, then, try and get it all dissolved, and give it a good watering and just use that as an excuse to give that a really good, deep, slow soaking. Get out there, and a lot of us have rock or something like covering our landscape. So you got to get it down past that anyway. So that's got to be something, fairly hard, a spray, or once you get it past the rock or the ground cover or whatever, then you can, slowly drip it in. And get it watered in.
So if it's like getting past that rock, you're just putting nitrogen out, and it's just
going to volatilize into the air and be gone.